The Star Projector Galaxy Light by easeking is a versatile 4-in-1 device combining a star projector, Galaxy Light, Bluetooth speaker, and nightlight. It is designed to transform any bedroom into a magical starry sky environment with customizable colors, brightness, and projection speeds. The projector offers thousands of lighting effects, making it suitable for both kids and adults who want to create a relaxing or fun atmosphere. The device projects colorful nebulae and stars that swirl and fade, simulating a night sky that can fill a room up to 500 square feet. This makes it an excellent choice for bedroom decor, parties, or simply setting a calming ambience. One of the standout features is the built-in Bluetooth 5.0 speaker. It allows users to play music wirelessly or via a USB drive, syncing the light effects rhythmically to the beat. This creates an energetic party vibe or soothing background for relaxation. However, while the speaker adds value, many users have noted that the sound quality is quite poor at higher volumes, so it may not satisfy audiophiles or those seeking high-fidelity audio. The Bluetooth functionality is easy to connect and enhances the overall experience, but should be considered more of a fun addition than a primary music source. The projector is controlled via a remote that works up to 16 feet away, allowing easy adjustments of brightness, color modes, speed, music volume, and timer settings without needing to get up. The timer can be set for 1, 2, or 4 hours, with a default automatic shutdown at 4 hours to save energy. This is particularly useful for children's bedrooms, where the light can help lull them to sleep with gentle star patterns and lullabies played through the speaker. The remote control, however, has been reported to have durability issues. Some users experience button failures after a few months, but the company has been responsive by providing replacements even outside the return window. In terms of design, the projector has a modern, polished finish with a compact round shape measuring about 4.7 inches in all dimensions and weighing just over a pound. It is made from aluminum and plastic, giving it a lightweight yet sturdy feel. The device is powered by a 5-volt DC source and uses energy-efficient LED lights rated at 9 watts. The light source is dimmable and the direction of the light is adjustable, allowing users to customize how the projections fill their space. Users appreciate the variety of lighting options, including multiple colors and movement settings. While the product advertises projecting realistic stars and space images, the actual effect is more of colorful lights and nebula patterns rather than detailed celestial bodies. Despite this, many find the visual effect quite pleasing and atmospheric, enhancing room decor and creating a relaxing environment. It is especially popular for children's rooms, where the soft glow and star patterns provide comfort and a sense of wonder. Installation is simple, as the projector is designed for table mounting and does not require complicated setup. It comes with a mini USB cable for power, but does not include a plug or batteries for the remote, which users need to provide separately. The product's energy efficiency and rechargeable features add to its convenience and sustainability. The projector also serves well as a gift. It is recommended for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions for both children and adults who enjoy unique lighting and ambient effects. Its ability to create a peaceful, star-filled ceiling has been praised by parents whose children find it easier to nap or sleep with a soothing light. Teenagers and adults also enjoy it as a cool room accessory or party light. Some drawbacks include the previously mentioned speaker quality and remote control reliability. Additionally, a few users feel the product's build quality could be improved, as it sometimes feels cheaply made. However, these issues are generally outweighed by the projector's affordability, ease of use, and the magical atmosphere it creates. In summary, the easeking Star Projector Galaxy Light is a fun and functional gadget that offers a unique combination of starry light projections and music playback. It excels in creating a cozy, colorful environment suitable for bedrooms, parties, or relaxation. While it may not perfectly replicate a true starry sky or deliver premium audio, it provides excellent value for its price point. The remote control adds convenience, and the timer function is a thoughtful touch for energy saving and sleep aid. Its appeal spans all ages, making it a versatile addition to home decor or a thoughtful gift. For those interested in enhancing their space with dynamic lighting and ambient sound, this projector is a worthwhile consideration. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and share your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions.